doesn't like fall? Like, I love it. Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Sharon, and in this video I will be showing you some fall candles that I have added to my collection for 2022. Now, it's not many candles, it's just really three, three as of right now, because I'm trying not to hoard so much, because you go to a store or you go to an online store, you get really carried away with all the products and you just start buying stuff, and eventually none of this stuff you will ever use. So this time I did good with not getting caught up in the sauce. Also, there's another reason, but stay tuned for that. Before we get deeper into this video, please make sure you subscribe and follow me over on Instagram and TikTok at Sharon. That's KALEASHARRON. All right, so my first candle is called Spiked Pumpkin Spice, and I really love this scent. I love anything bourbon scented during this time of year, and like a pumpkin scent, and this has this in it. So the notes for this is bourbon, dark rum, vanilla extract, and pumpkin puree. It is also a wooden wick. I have not burned this one. I've burned plenty already though, but it's a wooden wick. And it's also a crackling wooden wick, so you get that fireside effect. And also it's 100% coconut soy, and it's a 12-ounce candle, so it's worth $29.99. And like I said, this has got to be my favorite one. But then again, I don't know if I could say that I like all of them. Oh, it smells like a gingerbread cookie, like those Little Debbie gingerbread men with the icing. Oh my god. Okay, moving on. All right, the next candle is called Breakfast at Mama's. This is also by Skinny Licks as well, and it is a wooden wick. All these candles are wooden wick, and all of them are coconut soy, 100% coconut soy, and 12 ounce. And also the notes for this is pumpkin, waffles, pecan, walnuts, and maple syrups. I don't know if it's just me, but when it's cold outside, when it's winter time, you can smell every food aroma in the house, or just any aroma in the house. The scents are easy to cut through the air. Meanwhile, in the summer, it's just a lot of stank. Like, am I the only one who thinks that? I don't know. Anyways, y'all let me know down below if I'm not the only one. Now, this next candle, I would say is my go-to for any time of the year. And also too, it was a lot of inspiration put behind this candle. It was one of the first candles made with Skinny Licks. And pause, let's talk about the reason that I told you earlier that I would get to. I am the owner of Skinny Licks, and we've been in business for well over a year to the public. But if you know me personally, then you know that I've been doing this for some years now. And these candles are very special to me. They're the only candles that I have because I make a product, so why buy other products? I do sometimes, but when something is good, you stick to what you got. And this is good, so I'm sticking to it. But anyways, going into the next candle, this candle was made off of inspiration from Dumb Chronicles, who is a music artist, also my cousin. At the time I was listening to one of his latest albums while creating, and I created this candle off of a song off of his album called Vice City. And like I said, it was inspired by the song. So this is called Trip to Vice City. This is a odor neutralizing candle. So it's really good for when you are trying to clean your house, a room of whatever, and you're trying to get that pungent smell, or maybe you burnt something in the kitchen, you're trying to get the smell out. Open a window and burn this. This is so good. It really cuts the scent in the room if you're trying to get rid of a scent, and it actually travels too well throughout the house. You know, like it'll, if you have a door open, it will come out the room and go in the next room, and probably go out the room and go in the next room. So it's a really good candle, and this, I try to keep this in stock as much as possible because it goes very quick. So, which I'm thankful for. But if you have a chance, try to get your hands on Trip to Vice City. The notes are salty sea air, lily, jasmine, sugared citrus, and precious woods. Oh my God. I love this candle. I just love it, love it, love it. And like I said, it was my first candle that I ever made, and it's all year round. I sell this all year round. So yeah, if you guys get a chance, check this out. Try to get your hands on it, test it out, and let me know what you think. Okay guys, that's all I have for this video. Like I said, the list of candles were not long, but I was so excited to share these little 3 candles that I have been making and selling for quite some time now with you all, and I hope that you all find them interesting enough that you would like to check them out for yourself. So for more products and for the candles, you can go to www.skinnylix.com. That's SKINELIXX.com. And also you can follow the Skinny Licks Instagram at SKINELIX. Also, be sure to follow me, Kalia Sharron, that's KALEASHARRON, over on Instagram. And head over to my website, that's KaliaSharron.com, for more tips, tricks, and other information that you would like to know. Until next time, I'm Kalia Sharron. Bye.